How to fix TikTok live not starting 2026. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok live not starting 2026. So to fix this issue, you can start by clearing the app cache. Just open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner, and then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down to cache and cellular section, then tap on free up space. Now tap clear next to the cache. Now the next thing what you can do is re-log in. Just go back to your settings and privacy and scroll all the way down to log out. Tap log out. Once you're logged out, immediately log back in to refresh your server status. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find TikTok. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is check for the bans. Just open your TikTok app, then go to inbox at the bottom right corner of your screen for any notification about community guidelines violations that may have restricted your live access. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.